GNOME versus KDE Plasma is a debate that shapes the user experience on Linux. Choosing the right desktop environment can significantly enhance your productivity while minimizing distractions. Let's explore both options to see which suits you best. GNOME and KDE Plasma are two of the most popular Linux desktop environments. The core difference lies in their design philosophy. GNOME focuses on simplicity and minimalism, while KDE Plasma emphasizes customization and flexibility, catering to different user preferences. GNOME is a modern desktop environment designed for simplicity and ease of use. It features a clean and intuitive interface that minimizes distractions, making it ideal for users who prefer a straightforward experience. GNOME's Activities Overview allows for quick access to applications and workspaces, enhancing productivity. One of its strengths is its strong integration with various applications, providing a seamless workflow. However, some users may find GNOME's lack of customization options limiting, as it prioritizes a uniform look and feel. Ideal users for GNOME are those who appreciate a streamlined interface and are less interested in tweaking their desktop environment. KDE Plasma is known for its high level of customization and flexibility. Users can tailor their desktop experience extensively, from the layout to the appearance of widgets. This environment is packed with features including a powerful file manager and advanced settings, allowing users to fine-tune their experience to their liking. One of the standout strengths of KDE Plasma is its rich visual design, providing a modern and polished look. However, this extensive customization can be overwhelming for new users who may prefer a simpler setup. Ideal for power users and those who enjoy personalizing their workspace, KDE Plasma caters to individuals looking for a feature-rich environment. When comparing GNOME and KDE Plasma, consider real-world scenarios. If you prefer a clean, distraction-free workspace for tasks like writing or coding, GNOME's minimalistic approach may serve you well. Conversely, if you enjoy customizing your environment and utilizing advanced features for multitasking or creative work, KDE Plasma shines with its flexibility. Trade-offs include GNOME's streamlined experience versus KDE's extensive options, which can lead to a steeper learning curve. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your workflow and how much customization you desire. For users seeking simplicity and ease of use, GNOME is the recommended choice, providing a focused and efficient desktop experience. If customization and feature-rich environments appeal to you, KDE Plasma is the way to go. It offers unparalleled flexibility, making it perfect for users who want to tailor their desktop to their specific needs. Choose wisely and enjoy your Linux journey.